Ever seen a chicken stuck on a steak like this? But it gets even weirder. They're using discarded watermelon rinds. And then, a brand new metal barrel locks it all up. But this farmer's not giving up. He's piling straw around the barrel. What's he up to? Turns out, it's a Central Asian culinary heritage. Millennia-old watermelon baked chicken, an absolutely mind-blowing dish. It just needs to slow cook over low heat for 2 hours. Then it's ready to dig in. But this chicken, now on the steak, goes through a series of special steps. Simple plucking and a quick rinse with water. Then, it's time to make the secret sauce. Fresh garlic, peeled and crushed. Add a good amount of tomato sauce. A touch of honey, and mix it well. To add more depth of flavor, salt and pepper join the party. And turmeric for eliminating gamey smells and adding aroma. With the addition of sunflower oil, this secret sauce is finally complete. It's different from how we usually eat. They'll take off the tips of the wings and the chicken's neck. Everything's ready. It's time to slather the chicken with that sauce. So every bite is full of flavor. Let it marinate for an hour. But the work doesn't stop here. He's busy again. First, the watermelon rind gets a haircut. Then, the inside is carefully scooped out, leaving just the inedible rind. Finally, some air holes are poked. Now it's ready to bake the chicken. This unique cooking method is really popular. The baked meat is juicy and tender, with a hint of fruitiness. Once the coals are glowing, the long-awaited chicken pit is ready. Finally, it's time for the big reveal. The metal barrel is opened. The aroma fills the air. The golden brown roasted chicken is ready. Despite the simple baking method, this is undeniably a rare culinary gem. The soft, melt-in-your-mouth meat is sure to win anyone over. Chicken time. Take a bite. Soft and not greasy. Crispy charred flavor. Every bite is especially amazing in the great outdoors. Enjoying such a delicious meal. Pretty wild, right? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more amazing and unusual food around the world. See you in the next video.